Everybody, Chris Heineck here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm aboard our brand new 2027 Sea Ray 230 SDX. This is the new SDX model with the 230 and a fantastic layout we'll go through today. Also a full hull redesign with this boat as well, so it handles very well with chop, keeps you dry, 21-degree dead rise. We'll still cut through that chop but get into shallow water under a 16-inch draft, and then a 60-gallon fuel tank, which will be fantastic with your new 250 V8 with the Mercury. We did this in white, matches the beautiful Sea Ray blue hull you'll be able to see from your other photos. And then we did this with the dune interior. It looks really sharp throughout. Sea deck we also did in the dune to go throughout, so it flows really nicely. Big swim platform to get on and off from the boat at any angle, and then easy access to your battery switches and batteries down below. You have a house battery and engine battery, and then a very nice sun pad to complement this easy access area on here. The backrest will also fold down to give you even more comfortable lounging area when you want it. Coming through, we have a block off door, storage down here for fenders or shoes or anything else. And then one little step down gives you a huge cockpit space on here. Full L-shaped lounging on your port side, and then both your captain and co-pilot seats will flip back, so now you can have very comfortable seating while you're anchored up or even underway. Captain can sit on top of this and the co-pilot as a bolster cushion if you want to get that better visibility while you're underway, and then can get down low in these seats with the windshield to give you some nice protection. You'll have on the board with the helm, we have the beautiful acrylic dash and our twin Simrad GPS chart plotter, so you can have two different screens going on, keep all your visibility and everything on board. So we can do charts on one. You'll always have your quick view with your gauges that can be customizable, and then you can do anything else, full gauge setup on there, or depth finder, or everything else. Tilt steering wheel as well. Very comfortable standing up, driving, and sitting down on this boat, which is very nice. One more feature I wanted to show you back here. You have huge storage on the 230 SDX, so great plenty of storage down there, easy access to your bilge and batteries and power steering pump, so you can put beach chairs, coolers, everything else, and not be worried about messing with any of the wiring on the boat. As we come forward, your passenger is going to have access to your Fusion head unit on there. You can also control it from the helm as well, and then we'll have storage underneath here. Access for tables or anything else if you chose those accessories on board. Coming forward, or actually one more piece for you here. This is the new design they set up. Instead of a straight through walk through to bow, we did a shift over on the starboard side to give you a very nice cabin area on board. This will give you access for easy, if I can reach it, going down into the cabin, so you can accessorize this if you wanted seats, and also has a head option as well on board. Coming forward, we're going to have very nice lounge seating. You have a double lounge on the starboard side, single on the port, storage underneath all of the lounge area, and then easy access to your anchor locker up in the bow. Sound system's fantastic on this boat. You have Fusion head unit with Fusion speakers all in the bow and in the cockpit area. It makes a fantastic boat for getting out on the water, enjoying water sports, enjoying family cruising, and then hanging out your favorite sandbar. One more to look at up top, we have a sports tower with Bimini. That is a new electric tower, which is a standard feature for the boat if you get the sports tower, and is such a nice option to have if you have some low bridge clearance you need to get under, a rainstorm or anything. You can lower that tower down and keep everybody protected, or keep the boat in your tighter storage areas. 65 gallon fuel tank on board here can get you those long range cruises down to your favorite dock and dine areas, or a place to stay for the weekend. So again, this is our 2027 Sea Ray 230 SDX. My name is Chris Heineck. I can be reached at 910-256-8100. Would love to get you out in the water soon.